Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the error I met when I deploy my test project to Vercel. That is, I will visit my project. That is login. It's a display okay, but when I click on sign up with Google, it shows server error. When I log in from my localhost, I log in success like this. You see, I can choose sign with Google like this. Here, and this is the home page. With arrow on logo, I see log. Yes, that is log. It shows the error. And I when see the detailed error, I see it's noticed that I need to define a secret in production. So I will fix my error. Here is the resolution. I find Google. It's so my error. I made Vercel like this. And the solution is here. So I will create the secret in my .env file on my project like this. You can place any tag here. Or you can use secret key read by Vercel like this. Click link here and copy code as it. Or you can only place basic text here. After that, we add a secret option to next-auth config like it. Sorry, I will copy it. Here we go, config. Oh, sorry, I will. Zoom in. I go around the stairs and after provider, I will paste that config. Its name secret and the value is from Vercel.evn with key like it here and save. After that, I will put its into my GitHub. And push it into GitHub. Next, our I will setting and choose environment variable and add new environment variable with new name. New name I create here. Key and value. Only copies value inside and paste here and click save. Now I must redeploy my project with new code from GitHub. Click the deployment tab and click here. Click here. Click here and to redeploy. Click redeploy. And wait while Vercel deploying project. Yes, after that we'll try again on Vercel. Press sign up with Google again. Here you can see I cannot set my auth. I will test with sign with Google. Yes, it's okay. You can see here, it's good. Let's try to fix your error if you made it. Good luck. I will stop here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.